welcome back to Bellosity Travel here with Trish, and I'm here in the beautiful country of Saranda, Albania. So I decided to take a quick trip to Corfu, Greece, which is over there, and it was about a 30-minute boat ride. And I just want to share my journey with you guys. I was there for 3 days and 2 nights. I went to visit one of the beaches there, and I also went to explore the center of town, which they kind of call Old Town / New Town. I had, some amazing dinner. I was able to walk around and see all the beautiful sights and also do some shopping. So stay tuned and watch the rest of the video, and you can see everything that I did while I was there. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share and comment. Thank you. My journey begins as I board the boat and I get ready for a day of adventure and exploration. Welcome to Greece. I made it. This is the port of Greece, and this is what I rode in on. Once you arrive at the port of Corfu, there are other ships that can take you to Italy and other parts of Greece if you choose. After a quick and scenic ride, I've arrived in Corfu. It's time to cool off and relax a bit. So my first stop, Ipsos Beach. Let's hang out there for a while and see what happens. Ipsos Beach is known for its crystal clear waters and a vibrant atmosphere. It's the perfect spot to soak up some sun and take a refreshing dip in the sea. Next, we're off to explore the charming city center of Corfu with its narrow streets, colorful buildings, and bustling markets. So this is the beautiful restaurant that I'm going to be having lunch. Very nice. And then they have an outside seating area. I'll show a little bit more of that. But it's very nice. Very beautiful decor. Great wine selection in the historical area of Old Town in Corfu, Greece. And the name of the restaurant they have here. So if you're here in Corfu, make sure you're gonna stop by and have some great Mediterranean food. I'm not gonna try to say that because I know that I am not gonna say it correctly, but let's take a look at their menu. So they have a little bit of everything here. Yeah. And it's in Greek and in English, so you have your choice of seafood, salad. They have meat, casseroles, pasta. So, and then of course, you know, they have like refreshments and beers and coffee and wine. So yeah, and I'll just add some pictures from the food that I'll be eating. So the food here at this restaurant was amazing. I was in the mood for pasta, and I was told that the pasta was really great here. So I ended up getting pasta, and it was amazing. You could taste all of the fresh spices and herbs, and I would definitely be coming back here again on my next trip to Corfu. So make sure you stop by and get a bite to eat here in the town center of Corfu. Welcome to the heart of Corfu, where history comes alive amidst the ancient walls of the old fortress. The old fortress has stood guard over Corfu for centuries, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. But amidst the echoes of the past, there's also a sense of peace and tranquility here. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and connect with the spirit of this ancient land. The Marshal Schulenburg statue in Corfu stands as a solemn tribute to the legacy of a distinguished military leader and diplomat. Schulenburg played a significant part in shaping the political landscape of Corfu and the wider Mediterranean region. The statue serves as a reminder of his enduring influence and contributions to the island's rich cultural heritage. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna try to make as many videos as I can. It's a lot because I do work remotely, so I'm gonna try to get new videos and new, pictures and things like that out for you guys. But thank you so much for your support. You don't know how much it means to me. This is all a new journey for me, and I'm not a professional. I think I'm getting better with each video. But bear with me, they're gonna get better, and I hope to get better with this YouTube thing. But thank you so much for your support, and continue to subscribe and like and comment, and see you again here on Bella Travel. Have a good day. Bye.